Hi friends, now we'll start practice set 1.3 second and third example, that is solve following simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Now before starting for the examples, let's see what is Cramer's rule. Okay, if two simultaneous equations are written in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2 in this general form, then for solving by Cramer's rule method, we will take first three determinants d, dx and dy. We should write three determinants from this, d, dx and dy. How to write d? Determinant d will be written like this: coefficient of x and coefficient of y as it is. Coefficient of x is what? a1, a2. Coefficient of y, b1 and b2. For writing dx, instead of coefficient of x, substitute that with c1, c2, and coefficient of y will be as it is, b1, b2. For writing dy, in place of coefficient of y, substitute c1, c2 and coefficient of x as it is. Now, for solving any example, we should find out the value of variable, that is x and y. So what is formula for x? X should be equals to dx upon d and y will be dy upon d. These are the formulae for x and y. Then we can write solution x comma y. Okay. So this is the explanation of Cramer's rule. Let's see one example so that this is getting much more clear to you. Okay. See, first example, 3x minus 4y is equals to 10, equation 1, and 4x plus 3y is equals to 5, equation 2. How will you write 3 determinants, d, dx and dy? First one is d. How to write d? a1, a2, b1, b2 means coefficient of x and coefficient of y as it is. Coefficient of x 3, 4. Coefficient of y minus 4, 3. Solve this. We just learned how to solve those determinants. 3 should be multiplied with 3, cross multiplication, and minus 4 will be multiplied with 4, cross multiplication. Correct? So my 3 into minus 3, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9, my answer is 25. Now next determinant is dx. How you will write dx? In place of coefficient of x, replace with c1, c2, that is 10, 5. And coefficient of y as it is, minus 4 and 3. See, c1, c2, b1, b2. c1, c2 is 10, 5. And b1, b2 is minus 4 and 3. Solve. Cross multiply. 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3. 10 into 3. Minus 4 will be multiplied with 5. Minus 4 into 5. 10 3s are 30. Minus into minus is plus. 4 5s are 20. 30 plus 20, answer is 50. Okay. Now dy. How you will write dy? In place of coefficient of y, replace c1, c2, that is 10, 5. 10, 5 over here, and coefficient of x as it is 3, 4. See, a1, a2, c1, c2. a1, a2 means coefficient of x, c1, c2 are the last numbers. So solve this. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 5 are 15, 10 4s are 40. 15 minus 40, 40 minus 15 is 25, bigger number sign is minus 25. Understood this? So we got the values of d, dx and dy. Now formula for x and y. What are the formulae for x and y? X is equals to dx upon d, y is equals to dy upon d. So x is equals to dx upon d. How much is dx? It is 50. upon D is 25. So 50 upon 25. 25 2s are 50. So answer is 2. Now y is equals to dy upon d. dy is minus 25 upon d is 25. So minus 25 upon 25. 25 1s are 25. So answer is minus 1. So our solution, how we should write solution? First x and then y. That is 2 comma minus 1 is our answer. Understood this example? Thank you. Now let's solve example number 2. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y. First let's try to convert these equations into ax plus by is equal to c format. Okay. So what is ax? 4x plus by, that is 3y, is equal to c. So minus 4 I will take on right hand side, plus 4. Equation number 1. And second equation, how you can convert it? 6x minus 5y on left hand side will be plus 5y is equals to 8. Equation number 2. So these will be my two equations. Now write d, dx and dy. D. What is d? 4, 6, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, 3, 5 as it is. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Now cross multiply. 4 into 5, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6, 3 into 6. Okay. 4 5s are 20, 3 6s are 18. 20 minus 18, answer is 2. So we got the value of determinant D is 2. Now dx. How much is dx? In place of coefficient of x, replace with C1 C2, that is 4 8. This I am replacing with this. And coefficient of y 3 5 as it is. Solve this. 4 into 5. Again cross multiplication. Minus 3 into 8. 4 5s are 20. 3 8s are 24. 20 minus 24 is minus 4. Now dy. How you will write dy? In place of coefficient of y, replace with C1 C2, that is 4 8. And coefficient of x 4 6 as it is. Again cross multiply. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. Okay, 4 8s are 32 minus 4 6s are 24. 32 minus 24, answer is 8. So we got answer of D as 2, dx as minus 4 and dy as 8. What is formula for x? X is equals to dx upon d. So dx upon d will be minus 4 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 2. Answer is minus 2. So y is equals to dy upon d. That was the formula for y. What is for dy? 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 equals to 4. So what is my solution? Solution is equals to minus 2 comma 4. This is my answer. Understood this? Thank you.